Okay, guys, I haven't done one of these in a long time, and I know you guys like when I do some of these stock reporting or whatever like that. So technically, I have three stocks that I'm looking at for my usual trade that I do, but then these other ones are like strategies that I'm testing out. So these won't count. So the main things I'm going to be looking at are these top threes, which is going to be American Airlines, Airbnb, and Disney. All right, so let me give you a full rundown. So for the past 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So for the past 5 days, Disney has been going down, but I bought I bought yesterday at like $11 per share. I bought like 10 contracts, $11 per share. But it's still been going down a little bit, but it's starting to like find like a support or whatever like that. So it's getting ready to turn back up. So when it turns back up, I'm going to be making about 8% profit for this one. But yeah, it came back down. It found a bottom, and it meets all my criteria. This is this is a beautiful setup. Like, I think I might even add even more money into this, but usually it was a green momentum, but momentum changed to red because of these last few days it's been pulling down, so it turned the momentum. But we have a double green, which is one of my strategies that I have in my book that I came up with. So the double green is like when a momentum is going up and we're on a trend. And that's usually the perfect time to like buy the dip for stocks or whatever like that. But there's only one slight off, which is below the 200. But the 200 is okay though, as long as it meets majority of my criteria and we're in like a squeeze. So which is like an accumulation. So where like banks and institutions are like slowly buying, and then once the squeeze is released, that means it's basically ready to go. Basically, that's the same thing for most of these. For American Airline, same thing. Pullback for the last few days. For Airbnb, I bought yesterday at the 21 EMA, looking to make 5% profit for this one. So yeah, usual strategy. This one meets all my criteria. The only thing is there's no squeeze, but it still meets all my criterias. Momentum is going up. It hasn't crossed above the zero line yet, but it's going there though. Double green as usual. 21 EMA. It's a nice clean setup. The only thing is not a stack EMA, but it meets all my other criteria, so it's a clean setup. And my last one is Disney. So as usual, few days the market has been pulling back, and momentum literally just crossed above zero. So this is a perfect time to actually buy. And if anything, actually, I can even hold this even till it passes like the 200 EMA anyways. But yeah, perfect time. Bought yesterday. I bought a little bit. I bought in the morning, but I bought like a little bit too high or whatever. So I'm in the negative right now because of this pullback. But it's like a tiny negative though, so it doesn't really matter. It's part of the game. So you're in the negative for like a couple of days, and then the market just shoots up, and you're in big profit, like 1,000 to 2,000. Like that's how it is basically. You just got to learn how to like manage your emotions. And me, I don't really have emotions, so that it doesn't really affect me. But yeah, momentum above zero, double green, looking to make. I'll just sit right here. I'll just sit right here. 2% profit, but the 2% profit though is a pretty big. Hold on. I say it's about like a 3% profit though. Yeah, well, 2.77% profit. But yeah, anyways, that's my rundown. I know I haven't done these in a while, usually, but yeah, I'm not really a public guy like that. I'm just like a private, keep to myself type of guy. So, as some of you guys requested, I gave you my full rundown of what I'm looking at. And then these other ones are just my strategies, new strategies I'm testing out on Amazon. Amazon has been going down for a few days. It's starting to find a support anyways too. So this one is gonna be pretty good. This one's gonna be like a 4% profit anyways. But yeah, same, like my strategy doesn't really change. It's the same kind of strategy, but like a little tiny tweak to it. But anyways, this video is too long, man. That's my rundown. I'm gonna keep you guys up to date on profit. All right, peace. That's enough time in my day.